Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of eBay. You click on settings. Here we go to settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about eBay and you click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.